Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories picture frame. We'll start off by selecting our product on the left-hand side and by going underneath the Print Information button, we'll see the dimensions needed to print this product. On the left-hand side, we have a couple how-to videos to help with the visual aid. Next, we'll hit Print, and our computer will generate our PDF file. If you've not already set up your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once you've reviewed the template and made sure that everything is loaded properly, we'll go to File, Print, and begin changing our printer preferences. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer, change the number of copies wanted, select actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. We'll want to make sure that the document size and paper size both match in height and width. From there, we'll go into the advanced properties. Down at the bottom, we'll make sure the document size and orientation match the previous choices we've made. Change this to color. If you have a specific tray you'd like to print out of, you'll change that here. And today I will be using the bypass tray. Paper type will always be thick 1 in order to ensure that all ink will stay on the paper. Once you've made these changes, you can register your current settings here by naming the preset and clicking OK. We'll click OK, and now we are ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.